It's the same Trinidad and Tobago.
All right.
It's
So
a big place, and you understand?
mm-hmm.
And then we're fighting a struggle because our rights was being taken away wrongfully, and it was sent back to court in 1796, and we won. So we are in a case where we have to bring the government back to court to make sure they remove that they let us start paying tax. So they have to revoke that, stop us from paying tax, and then give us a well, maybe we could call it reparation or a reimbursement for the tax that we paid over the last 200 years. In kind, not cash. Therefore, we're thinking about using that money to build like things in the community that can enhance development, social development, etc. So it's a whole
reparations, repair.
Yeah, and then the people, this generation is not 100% aware of. They don't have the knowledge, the ancestral knowledge of their past and the power that their ancestor bear and carries, which is within their bloodline. So they not knowing that it poses a problem.
Yeah, that's why
How many Africans will really accept that they're Africans?
Yeah, that's why we don't have. That's what I've been trying to establish these capitals and talking about headquarters and regions to make things circulate. The information has to circulate faster. It's like if we're in Africa, and the people are copying the culture that's in, let's say, Ethiopia. Ethiopia should be reflecting it. We haven't had that. You have to have an echo chamber, basically. This headquarters talks to that headquarters, and I don't know if people are scared in certain islands or what it is, but we have to have headquarters. We have to recognize headquarters as activists, and we haven't done that. Yeah, we haven't done that properly. So in Africa, we haven't acknowledged what the headquarters is going to be for the blacks. So that's what we're working on, but it's like people don't even know what's going on in the activist community. We just created a new country, and nobody's even talking about it. the Sahel. Well, you probably know about it, Ibrahim Troy, the Sahel Federation.
I know about that, man.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know about it. If you look, you Google it in AI, it'll tell you the Mali Empire. That's where they were, and that's where the villages still are. So they're humble, but they're in the group. It's just amazing that we can be talking for a decade almost, and one region goes this way. You see in the Sahel, and you see the other people in the Caribbean is going the opposite way. We're getting invaded by gangs, and the people. It seems like the people in Africa are waking up, but they don't know what's going on in the Caribbean. But we're on the same forums the whole time. We're over close to 10 years almost. This is crazy. But certain islands had contracts and business deals with certain governments that you're gonna find out they're neo-colonial governments. So you hook your train you hook your wagon to the wrong train, you're gonna go into the abyss. So that's what's going on. So, but we're coming, and I think Zimbabwe wants to join again too. the Bantu, South Africa. You know what's going on in South Africa for years. It's similar in all the Southern African countries, and so they want to. They've been waiting for us to get it together in the West. So we kind of have to kind of leave the station with who's on board. We have Trelawney, probably have Moortown, probably have I don't know if it's Charlestown.
Yeah, I don't know is in it, but we are having personally there are a whole lot of problems down here. Not really a problem, just something to think of.
Okay.
So I'm unraveling on the ground in terms of getting everybody to unite.
Yeah, us in Jacksonville.
But the other indigenous matters.
So that's going to be okay because I know I know a lot of people in the West, or let's say in the USA, American Africans and things. They're just ready to go straight forward. So if I tell people Jamaica is ready, or the Maroons in Jamaica are ready, they're ready to build that bridge and work together. So it's just people. I think over the years, people have I don't know. It is what it is. People, it is what it is. I'm not going to say anything. So I'll just end the call. This was actually more of a Trinidad call, but I have to just yeah. We have to. It's a state of emergency. It was just declared, so it might start looking like Haiti, or at least a Port-au-Prince, where people are fighting over the port. But the rural
Okay then,
villages,
so
yeah, the villages might be
you
set.
can you can link me up later.
All right, I'll end the call. Thank you.
I'm gonna go in on